What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man. We coming back at you again with another real review. I know y'all didn't think I'd be putting this content out like this, did you, man? Y'all thought I was out here place YouTube, didn't you? Nah, we real dealing over here. So today we got the part 2 of the Pharrell NMD solar pack. We've got the yellow, red, and black pair. Go ahead and get these things up out the box. Kaboom and kaboom. Let it go. But y'all know how we do it over here in the land of McFly, man. We're gonna zoom in and hit you with that close-up action. Got your same logo and all this on the front. You've got the HU element here. It's on there with the year and all. For you paper heads, regular Adidas paper. One thing that I did notice is that these come with this right by the hole. It's got this little sticker down here, and I don't know if that's like Adidas quality control sticker or what that is, but it's on the inside of the 3 pair that I have. It's on the inside of all of those boxes, so just wanted to put that out there in case you guys are trying to verify or authenticate. There's also some more writing on the lid here, and on that side. So now can't nobody say that I ain't show the box, because I did. You saw it. But now, kabayow! Back to this right here, man. These shoes are probably second best. I think the teals are really the best pair, hands down. And I had no interest in these or the pink ones. But after really seeing these, man, I'm really digging them. They're really dope. On your shoe here, you have Empower. On this shoe, you have Inspire. Let me get you up in here so you can kind of see the textures of this bad boy. Like I was saying on the teals, this is like a thicker Letterman jacket, and then this fly knit. It's really thicker than any of the other Adidas. You also have that little number here. But the fly knit is thicker. Like I've got NMDs and Yeezys and several other pairs, and it's this is really thick. Like when I put my pair of the teal ones on and I have on socks, they fit kind of snug. But without a sock or a thin sock, it fits perfect. It also came with laces. It came with the green laces in the bag, but these have already been lace swapped. As you can see, there's your bottom. Dope, dope. Won't have to worry about that getting dirty. Tag on the back. If I can show this in here, the insole is dope. I'll probably take a picture or something and put that up. You got your size tag on this side. If you want, you can go ahead and screenshot that bad boy to compare. You can kind of see it, like back here it says pelvis, kidneys, and other body parts in there. I don't really know which laces I like better. I think I like the black better in these for some reason. Like that black on black looks good. That green really helps. As well, your sock liner. That's the back of the other shoe, just your Adidas logo. Got this here. 3 stripes on your lace tips. Laces are 3M. Pull tab, back tab is 3M. And that's really pretty much it. You know, these shoes are crazy, man. I don't really know what's going on, why people sleeping on them. I might have to hit StockX up and see how cheap I can get a pair of these bad boys right here. I'm definitely not gonna pay the rate for them, but for the quality on this shoe, it's really worth it. Has anybody noticed the difference in how the boost looks on some of these newer pairs? Like the Yeezy boost and this NMD boost looks totally different. I've got some other NMDs and it's still boost, but the actual texture of it looks different. So, you know, but pretty much, man, that's it. We ain't gonna keep you too long like I did on the last vid, man. It's your boy McFly, man, signing out. I'ma holler at you.